Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make your own crypto website very easily. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently right now we are on this website called carrd.co, carrd.co, and this is going to be a very useful website, which is an easy tool to make your own website from any dynamic. So you're going to sign up or log in, and then from here you're going to open dashboard. Now from here it's going to show you basically nothing. Those are my own previous websites. But for you to create a new website, all you have to do is click on plus new site. And then from here it's going to show you all the packages and the deals that you can select as a template and work on as your own. These are very easy to use and they look very pretty. So for example, if we choose any of them, for example this one, then it's going to show you that this is the template for it. And so you can select it and then change whatever you want. And if you click on the demo, then it's going to show you exactly how the website will look like once it's done. So as you can see, you can change from whatever you want for the details and all and everything that you want from it. Just click and paste. So to show you an example, I have made my own crypto website. So if you want to click on it, so go back, and then from here going to go to the dashboard. So you can see, you can click on edit. And then from here, from the edit, you can see that we have the crypto and actually designed for everything. So this is our own, we add some blockchains. And so if we would like to see it in action, then simply all you have to do is go to crypto website. And as you can see, there's all the animations added with all the pictures and everything makes sense and everything is very easy. This took me around 10 minutes to make. And so you can edit it and make sure that it's up to your suiting. And so the way to edit it is to simply click on any asset that you would like. So for example, if there was this title, then you can simply change the title for the website. You can change whatever picture and upload it. And if you'd like to add any assets, you can simply click on the plus sign and then you can add, for example, an image, a video, an audio, gallery, slideshow, or whatever you want. So if I'd like to click on here and then add a button, so I can just add a button right here and then I can say that the button is called help. And then once you get done, then as you can see, there's the button that goes help. And if you would like it to send to an actual website, so for example, you have a help website. So we can go to Solana help page. And so this is the Solana help page. You're going to copy the link for it, go back here, and then apply it here to the website. And then click on done. Once you are done, you click on save. And as you can see right here, you don't even have to buy your own domain because you can simply save it to any of Carrd's domains if you have the subscription. So there are multiple options right here, but if you have your own domain, then you can just simply click on publish to custom domain. And so once this is done, you click on publish changes. And so once it loads, it tells you that it's done. So you can click on view site. And this is the updated website. And as you can see, the help button just been added. So if I click on it, then it will directly send me to the Solana documentation. Very easy, very simple. And all you have to do is just play with it, copy, paste, drag and drop. And so that is it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.